Absolutely incredible. And there's almost like it's perfectly framed as well with the trees.
Yeah, yeah. And this is an ancient woodland as well. So I mean, the sites. I've been doing this 10 years. You know, my family's been doing this 100 years. I've never seen a site that has this many unique features.
Yeah,
with the
agreed.
mature trees, an ancient woodland, the view, the wildflower meadows, the access within the M25, the private estate. You know, it's a needle in a haystack. Once in a lifetime job for me, you know.
Any one of the couple of those things would be pretty good.
It ticks all the boxes, you know, in terms of sustainability, wellness. You know, we get to put everything into the project, and it really sings. You know.